Hi everyone, we have a DELL G15 gaming laptop here. Okay, bang and cracked. So we're gonna replace this. So turn off the system. I'm gonna disconnect the battery first. Okay, open the bottom cover. Just pull. Good. And flip it over. And remove the LCD bezel by just pulling this out. And it pops out. Okay, so now it's there's no bracket for this LCD. It's just double-sided taped on the left and right side corner, and there's a little pick and pull tape is applied here. This is the one. Grab it and pull. You can pull. Keep pulling it. Don't break it like me. And it'll be a little bit difficult. So slowly. Okay, there we go. Anyway, this LCD is broken already, so I'm not gonna super be careful not to crack it. Like, I'll just pull. And you can pick this inside and pull. Veil again. Grab it from it and pull. There you go. There we go. Okay. And you can flip this. And there's a connector. Remove the tape. Open the latch. This. And remove the old broken screen. And place the new screen. Reconnect the LCD cable. Close the latch. And place it into the housing. Reconnect the power because I want to test it before I close up. And turn it on. Okay. There we go. So there was no turn the power first. And that is off. The film. And place LCD into the partition. There's a little guide tab on each side. So match the top part, place it in the middle, place it, and gently push down each side. And reattach the LCD bezel. And it's nicely done. That's it. It's super easy, isn't it? Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.